Turmeric superfood. How can instantly increase turmeric curcumin absorption? Turmeric's key nutrient, curcumin, is not easy to absorb. Curcumin is the active ingredient that you need to absorb from the turmeric itself. While curcumin is a powerful and effective compound for treating a wide range of diseases, studies have revealed that it has low absorption and rapid metabolism that lead to relatively low bioavailability in the body. Bioavailability is the ease with which any nutrient can make its way from the food you eat into your body. How to increase the bioavailability of curcumin in the body? 1. Mix turmeric with black pepper. Piperine, which is the key chemical in black pepper, aids the absorption of curcumin, which is the active ingredient in turmeric, and thus increases the amount of curcumin that the body can absorb. So if you are cooking with turmeric, be sure to add some black pepper to the food. One study concluded that piperine can increase the bioavailability of curcumin by 2,000%. 2. Mix turmeric with fats. One of the main reasons behind the low availability of curcumin in the body is due to its low solubility in water. Therefore you can mix turmeric with oils, such as coconut oil, flaxseed oil, olive oil, etc. to improve its absorption. One study found that mixing turmeric with oil in cooking greatly increased its absorption. 3. Mix turmeric with quercetin. Quercetin is a plant pigment, flavonoid, that is found in many plants and foods, such as red wine, red grapes, onions, green tea, apples and berries. One study found that the combination of quercetin and turmeric greatly increases its medicinal properties. Another study suggests that the combination of curcumin and quercetin can increase the absorption of curcumin. It's interesting to note that this was discussed in the context of using curcumin and quercetin for their anti-cancer activities. Quercetin inhibits a certain enzyme that deactivates curcumin. Fruits with a dark red or blue color have the highest quercetin content. These include cranberries, blueberries and black plums. Vegetables that include quercetin are red leaf lettuce, raw kale, chicory greens, raw spinach, sweet peppers, snap beans and raw broccoli. Don't expose turmeric to prolonged heat. While turmeric can be added to many dishes, curcumin is moderately sensitive to heat, so don't expose turmeric to prolonged heat. But certain types of cooking methods can actually enhance curcumin absorption. Another effective way to add turmeric to your diet is by adding it to your smoothies. Turmeric drinks to increase the absorption of curcumin. Here are some turmeric smoothie recipes with compounds that will help the curcumin to be better absorbed by the body. The fat content in coconut milk and the black pepper help for better curcumin absorption. This spicy tropical smoothie also aids digestion due to the enzymes in pineapple, bromelain, and papaya, papain, so it's good to drink this smoothie after a meal. Ingredients: 1 cup coconut milk, 1/2 cup pineapple or papaya chunks, 1/2 teaspoon each of ground turmeric, ginger and cinnamon or 1/2 inch fresh turmeric, ginger, peeled and roughly chopped, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, a little honey, maple syrup, or stevia to sweeten, optional. Put all the ingredients in a blender and process until smooth. Drink immediately to enjoy the most nutritional benefits. Anti-inflammatory smoothie. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases and is known to worsen their symptoms. The ingredients in this smoothie have anti-inflammatory properties, so you can use this smoothie as a natural alternative to anti-inflammatory medications. In this smoothie, the green tea and the berries, with quercetin, cranberries. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. 1/2 teaspoon each of ground turmeric and ginger. 1 teaspoon ground flaxseed or chia seeds. A little honey, maple syrup, or stevia to sweeten. Put all the ingredients in a blender and process until smooth. Green smoothie with turmeric. Here is another great recipe for green smoothie that combines the goodness of leafy greens that are packed with chlorophyll that helps to cleanse the body. Chlorophyll has also anti-inflammatory properties, as it also alkalizes the body, and can therefore be used to reduce the risk of diseases and inflammation processes in the cells. Here the avocado helps the body absorb the turmeric, as avocados are full of healthy fats such as omega-3 fatty acids. 1 cup coconut water or coconut milk. There are many reasons to drink coconut water. 1 compressed cup of leafy greens of your choice, such as kale, spinach, lettuce. 1/4 avocado. Green fruit such as pear, apple or kiwi fruit. 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric powder or 1/2 inch fresh turmeric, peeled and roughly chopped. 1 tablespoon coconut oil, omit it if you use coconut milk or avocado as they provide the fat, a little honey, maple syrup, or stevia to sweeten. Golden turmeric smoothie. This smoothie is rich in vitamin A, which is vital for good vision, healthy skin, healthy immune system and cell growth. Here the coconut oil helps for better absorption of the curcumin. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons old-fashioned rolled oats, 1 cup water or orange juice, 1 carrot chunks, 1 mango, few melon chunks, 1/2 inch fresh turmeric, peeled and roughly chopped, or 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, few dried apricots optional. Place the oatmeal in a blender and process until finely ground. Add the remaining ingredients to the blender and process until smooth. For a thicker smoothie, let it stand for a few minutes before serving. Morning warm lemon water tonic with turmeric. Ingredients: 1 cup warm, not hot water, 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric powder or 1/2 inch fresh turmeric, peeled and roughly chopped. Juice of half a lemon. Dash of cinnamon optional, a little honey, maple syrup, or stevia to sweeten. Add the turmeric to the warm water, add the lemon juice and honey and stir well. The turmeric will settle to the bottom of the cup, so you need to continue to stir the water as you drink, to get all the benefits of the turmeric. Make sure to drink while the water is still warm. By boosting the bioavailability of this powerful spice, you also increase its benefits for every system in your body, and it's one of the best things you can do for your long-term health. Anti-inflammatory turmeric. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1/4 to 1/3 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 clove minced garlic, 2 teaspoon honey, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 to 1/2 avocado optional if you want a thicker consistency. Directions: mix well all the ingredients. If you use avocado, put all the ingredients in a blender and blend well. Taste the dressing and adjust the flavor according to your own preference. Golden Elixir turmeric tahini. 1/4 cup tahini, 1/4 cup water, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 1 clove minced garlic, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, a little bit of chopped parsley optional. Mix well all the ingredients in a small bowl and whisk until combined. Taste the dressing and adjust the flavor according to your own preference. Immune boosting apple cider vinegar, nut butter and turmeric. 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 2 teaspoon honey, 1 tablespoon nut butter like almond butter or peanut butter, 3 tablespoons plain Greek yogurt, 3 tablespoons water, 1 clove minced garlic, 1 teaspoon turmeric. Mix well all the ingredients until you get a smooth texture. Taste the dressing and adjust the flavor according to your own preference. Store in the fridge for up to 1 week. When you should avoid turmeric or reduce its consumption. People on medication for diabetes. Turmeric has a natural tendency to lower blood sugar, and as such it is one of the top 8 spices and herbs for type 2 diabetes. For people with diabetes and pre-diabetic people who control their condition solely through diet, this may be welcome news. However, people taking medication for their diabetes need to be aware of turmeric's effect on blood sugar, and discuss turmeric usage with their prescribing physicians before continued use, as when combined with medications for diabetes, turmeric might make blood sugar too low and cause hypoglycemia. Pregnant women and turmeric consumption. During pregnancy and breastfeeding, turmeric is considered safe when taken in amounts usually found in food. However, turmeric is probably unsafe when taken in large amounts or in a supplement form during pregnancy, as it may stimulate menstruation or stimulate the uterus, thus risking the pregnancy. Also, there is not enough information regarding the safety of large amounts of turmeric during breastfeeding, so it's best to use it in normal food quantities and not as a supplement. People with gallbladder problems or tendency for kidney stones. The gallbladder is a small sac-like structure which lies beneath your liver and connected to it by the bile duct. The gallbladder serves as a storage facility for bile, which breaks down fat in the intestines. According to the National Institutes of Health (NIH), turmeric can cause side effects and increase the risk of gallbladder problems, so if you have gallstones or obstruction of the bile passages, you should talk to your doctor before taking turmeric. Also, if you are prone to kidney stones, you're better off not taking turmeric supplements. The reason for that is that turmeric contains significant amounts of the chemical oxalate, which increases the risk of gallstones. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in May 2008 showed that turmeric significantly increased the levels of oxalate in the urine as compared to placebo after 4 weeks of treatment in healthy individuals. The conclusion was that high levels of oxalate in the urine increases the risk of kidney stone formation in susceptible people. People who take blood clotting medications. Turmeric can thin the blood, meaning it can be inappropriate for people who have bleeding disorders as it can increase their risk of bruising and bleeding. According to WebMD, turmeric can also interact with medications that slow blood clotting such as aspirin, ibuprofen, Advil, warfarin, Coumadin, and others. Point 1. Talk about your desire to take turmeric with your doctor before using it if you are on medications for blood clotting or have bleeding disorders in order to determine if turmeric is the right choice for you. It is recommended to stop using turmeric at least 2 weeks before a surgery to avoid extra bleeding during and after surgery. People who suffer from stomach acid. Our stomach is full of acid that is naturally produced in the body and helps break down food. However, excess stomach acid can cause symptoms like pain and other health problems such as heartburn, reflux, which occurs when stomach acid leaks into the esophagus. Frequent heartburn suggests gastroesophageal reflux disease (GERD), which can damage the esophagus and throat. Reducing excess stomach acid is the best way to manage these problems. Turmeric may increase stomach acid production, which may decrease the effectiveness of drugs used to reduce stomach acid. Avoid taking turmeric if it worsens symptoms of stomach acid. How much turmeric to consume? According to Maryland Medical Center, for people who do not have medical or health conditions on the cautionary list discussed above, taking up to 3 grams of powdered turmeric root, which is about 1 teaspoon per day, is safe, while the dosage of cut root is 1.5 to 3 grams per day for an average-sized adult. What's good about turmeric is that you can use it both in fresh or ground form. The ground form is much more concentrated, and usually when converting fresh to ground turmeric, a single tablespoon of fresh turmeric root is equal to 1/3 of a teaspoon of dried turmeric. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Be healthy.